Today we want to do a review of something very important in the braking system. In this car you can see we have removed a few braking parts over here. So these are what we call the brake caliper holders, and they have some very important work to do in that they hold this guy over here, the braking part. They hold it on this side and this side to allow this piston to move inside and out, so that's to hold the brakes together. So now one of the most common problems with these calipers is that these pins, they are supposed to move in and out. So if you look at this one, if you look at this one, it is so difficult to move it. So this means that the caliper, the brakes will not hold properly. Like this one is moving a little bit, you can see, but this other side is not moving at all. Even if you apply a lot of force, it's not moving. So this other one, it has a problem in that the rubber that holds prevents dust from entering inside is torn, so, and basically is worn out, so it is not able to prevent dust from entering inside, where this even this one is stuck. It's difficult to remove it. So you are supposed to actually put some lubricant over here. So these ones, they have a problem with these rubbers, and this one as well. You can see it's quite old, so even this one is still not moving. So these ones we cannot put in the vehicle. This one as well we cannot put in the vehicle. These ones are the ones we have removed. As you can see, like this one, it doesn't have this rubber. This rubber over here, this one doesn't have. So in as much as it can move, it is going to allow dust to move, to get inside and get this pin stuck. This one also, the rubber is torn. As you can see, the rubber is torn. So also we cannot now. That's why we are removing these ones. This one very completely stuck. It can't move. So this affects your braking performance a lot. So now we are putting these ones. Let me show you how now a good one works, like that. So as you can see, a good one moves pretty well, like that, and the rubber is nice and clean, like that. And then now you're supposed to put a very nice lubricant. There's a special type of lubricant that you normally put inside here, because we have realized that if you put the standard grease that we normally put in the bearings, it dries up with time, because you remember these calipers, there's a lot of heat generated by the braking system. So if you put grease here, it will dry up and this pin is going to get stuck. So now we are going to look for that special lubricant. Is called brake paste. Then we put it inside, and then these new pins, now these calipers, they are going to last us for a very long time. So we are going to put these ones. You can see even this one, very nice, like that, very nice. Yes. So the next time you visit your garage, ensure that when they check the brake system, they also check these guide pins, and these ones, if they're stuck, you tell them to make sure that they put some lubricant, they clean them, and now they to restore the braking efficiency of the system. So stay with us, stay tuned. Thank you very much.